Hi everybody, today in front of me I have this Realme Narzo 50A Prime smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can set up the Opera as your default browser on this device. So first of all, you gotta open up the settings. At the settings, look for the apps and notifications category. In here, go for the default apps, and at the browser app section, just select Opera, and from now on Opera will be the default browser on your device. There is also the second way to do that. In order to execute the second way, just open up the Opera application itself. Here at the bottom right corner, go for the profile icon, settings, and scroll down until you stumble upon the default browser section. Click on next, select Opera, set as default, and from now on the Opera is the default browser on this device. Alright, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!